All right. So I have I've bought into the hype. I've got a new toy slash medical device. I bought an Advantage 360. So we're gonna do the whole unboxing experience together, and we're gonna see how this goes. So yeah, this is gonna be initial impressions, look, feel, all that. But I will be doing a more in-depth review later. So this is just first impressions. So get started. So I got an overhead cam here. So here is the box. Just a plain cardboard box. And when we open it up, we have to start a quick start user guide. And then we can get to the keyboard itself. Ooh. Okay, so accessories up here in this box. We'll set that aside. We'll look at that in this sec. But I want to get to the keyboard itself. Okay. Bubble wrap. Nice. Nice. This thing is huge. Holy cow. This is big. So that's the left side then. Hey Pick, what's up? Yeah. This thing is massive. This wrist rest makes this thing huge. So let's set that to the side real quick. Get the other half here. And I went with the MX Browns. So my current keyboard has browns, so, and I don't like super, I like a tactile bump there. I don't want it to be completely linear. But this thing is built. Like, it looks kind of like, I'll admit it looks kind of plasticky in pictures and stuff, but it is much sturdier than I would have expected. All right. So we need the cables. So what do we got in here? So there's the link cable. We got the bridge connector. I'm not going to use that. Keycap puller and extra keycaps. Adapter. And a really long USB-C cable. That's a lot nicer than the one I'm using now. Cool. I'm going to use the one I'm using now, though, for now, just because I don't want to rewire that right now. All right, so we need this guy. I don't want to drop it. I almost dropped it. Okay. That's a different feeling. That definitely feels... That's going to take some getting used to. No. And there's no bump either where you're like, you know, like on one of these. We've got the J and F bumps, right? And there's none of those on these. So you just got to learn based on the concavity, I guess. Where to put your hands. So that's a different feel though. It's going to take some getting used to. Oh, yeah. No, I'm reaching for the enter key. This is going to be a learning curve. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get it plugged in. Let's try some monkey type. Okay. Let's hop on over to the browser. Okay. This is just words. It's gonna be bad. That's the goal. That's the goal. Hopefully it gets better with time. It should get a lot better with time, but I'm gonna try it with the default layout for now. And we'll see if I can figure it later. I'm sure there's gonna be some remaps that I'm gonna want, but yeah, we'll give this a shot as is. So okay. How ah ah this is so bad. Ooh, there we go. This is my first split keyboard, yeah. And my first my first keyboard with thumb clusters too. So yeah, so no 80 words per minute there. Let's try this again. Yeah, I suspected that it would be. No. Okay. That's even worse. But yeah, no, I really got to commit to it and get used to it. And I don't want to lose how to use like a flat QWERTY keyboard. I don't want to lose that. I want to be able to switch back and forth between them for laptops and stuff. But I do want to commit to this for a while to get used to it and really be able to get up to speed on it. So let's try this again. Let's do some more. Let's do some more. Oh, 32. Okay, that's better. I was using my split for a couple years. Then when I used my laptop, it didn't take me long to adapt. Yeah, I figured because of the different shapes that it'll be easy to transfer between the two and switch back and forth. I'm hoping that's how it works in my brain. So we'll see. More practice. Okay. 25. The thumb clusters, I keep looking down because I'm like, there's no other. Yeah. Yeah, I suspect the control, like doing like control C, control V might be weird. And I have to relearn how to type too, because I am a like I use the left control shift alt exclusively. So I need to relearn how to type, and I'm hoping this is my opportunity to do that so that I can actually like hit control on this side and then hit the other key on the other side. Because I know what I do right now is bad, is really, really bad. But the thumb clusters are really different. That enter key and backspace are gonna be interesting. Let's move everything to the. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up remapping page up and page down because I just don't use them, and I'm not gonna use them in Vim. I don't need them, so I might remap those to maybe because they're a little bit easier to reach for me. I think like page down might be a little bit easier to reach for me than control, but I want to give this a shot to really and really use it before I kind of start changing things. So we'll see. We'll see. Ooh, 32. So normally I'm around 85 words per minute. Hey, there's 50. There's just so I'm fumbling around still, but there it just feels nicer. Like I'm not reaching for things like I was before. Like when I'm typing normal stuff. It just feels better. Like I really do. I don't have nearly the throw that I have to do to get to keys, especially like this stuff over here. Like I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna need to get used to it, but I like it. Yeah. How does the Moonlander compare? By the way, that was the other one I was looking at, and I didn't want it. I didn't want a flat one. I wanted the concave. Very plasticky. Interesting. Okay, I want to try tinting it. I want to see what that feels like. I know I'm probably not gonna learn while tinting it right now, but I just want to try it. All right. Whoa, that's weird. Okay, okay. Uh, ooh, 69 words per minute. Perfect. That's actually getting close to. I'm getting close to what I type with, and that's actually more comfortable to have them tinted. I thought that was going to be weirder, but that's a lot more comfortable actually. It does. It feels a lot better. And it yeah, like my hands don't feel as tight in that position. So, I'm really hoping that I can get some of the tinglies to go away in these three fingers with using this for a while. It hasn't been super bad lately, but I just don't want to. I don't want to end up in that situation again. I had really bad, really bad numbness a while back. All right. Well, yeah. So I like it. I'm gonna definitely keep using this, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. And I'm gonna do a full review, like I said, of this probably in a few weeks, and we'll see what living with it's like. I'm already pretty happy. I got a lot of learning to go. I got to get the symbols all figured out and the numbers. I want my F keys figured out because I gotta do debugging and stuff. And all my key combinations need to start feeling natural, but I like it. I like it a lot. So, all right.